So Oscal, Blackview sub-brand, has announced a new rugged phone called the Oscal Pilot 2. This is yet another feature-packed rugged phone. And speaking of specs and features, let's find out what this device has to offer. So the Oscal Pilot 2 has a rear display, which is just impressive, just like the BV9300 Pro. And the rear display is highly customizable. You could use it to do different things. You could use it to check time, receive notifications, receive phone calls. You could also use it as a viewfinder to take a selfie using the phone's main camera, which is very, very impressive, guys. The device also features a dual LED flash that, when combined, has a maximum brightness of up to 170 lumens. So let's explore the top specs of this phone. The phone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD punch hole display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the display is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone ships with the Dock OS 4.0 based on Android 14. For performance, the device is powered by the Helio G99, which is expected, and it utilizes 8GB RAM, and it has 256GB UFS 2.2 storage that can be expanded up to 1TB. For power, the device is backed up by a massive 8800 mAh battery, and it supports 45 watts fast charging. And for photography, the device features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP primary sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide angle lens, while the front-facing camera is 32MP. The phone is also set to support OIS, and when it comes to video recording, the primary rear camera can record up to 2K videos at 30fps, which is not bad. So other features includes IP68 and IP69K ratings. It is also MIL STD 810H certified, which is the popular military-grade standard certification. This phone supports glove mode, which means that even while wearing gloves, the device will still respond to your touches. It's an impressive feature, guys. It supports NFC, dual 4G voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, OTG, and so on, guys. And as regarding price, the phone is expected to be very, very cheap. Although currently I don't know its official price, but according to the details, from the 1st of June, the device will be sold for just $200. Once the offer is available, I'll let you guys know. So what are your thoughts about this device? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.